Alright guys, I'm supposed to be doing uh the interface of the app right now and all that and all the pages and stuff it's gonna be it's a lot of pages it's gonna be so far. But I've just decided right now I'm gonna be working on getting this Python code functional in C sharp. Once I've done that, I'll get this Python code ready to be used um, for, for someone to just be able to download and install and run it themselves. Just seeing what I'm sort of going for. Um, but yeah, if you've seen my other videos on my other channel, it's gonna be an app that I'll run this code to show you. I'm gonna do this every time. I'm gonna do it because I'm on a different channel. Okay, I can't do it like that. Okay, just just give me a sec. Okay, so here it is here on the left. Um, so basically it asks what you want to calculate. So let's just say final velocity, and yes, I want to click do that. Oh wait, no, yes, okay. What do you have? Let's say we have um, distance, initial velocity, acceleration, and yeah, do an exit. No, values. Okay, no, I mean yes. Okay, it's not perfect. I haven't. I wrote this a while ago and didn't debug it properly and like probably tested. I just tested it for the way I would use it. So it's not perfect, but I need to rewrite a bit of it. But I just wanted the main functionalities of it working. But let's go back to that one. I think it was go yes. Okay, what distance? Let's say it's up to 10 meters and took accelerated 15 meters 15 meters per second. The initial velocity was 0. The final velocity is 17.32050 meters per second. And so basically it works for for any other calculations of projectile motion. It works for any of the other ones. Anything you want, it'll do it basically. Any of the ones with projectile motion will do it. So I'm gonna rewrite that um into rewrite this code, make it perfect in C sharp, make it because this was 2,000 lines of code when I first wrote it. So I've shortened it down to 300 and still could be still could be a little less. But I'm gonna be basically reinterpreting basically what this code meant to you know to to write it in C sharp. But let's begin. I was gonna figure out where I was. I think I was at choosing the measurements you wanted. I've decided here. We're gonna make this into a two-dimensional array. 'Cause I thought I said I was gonna do it last time, and I'm gonna do it this time. So it's gonna be um, uh, so it's gonna be one. It's gonna be one. No, it's gonna be 4 by 3, and then go. Options. One. So I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Just give it a go. Oh, shit. Okay, now what we're gonna do, because this is not gonna work, what we're gonna go is go, no, let's just keep it as let's keep it as it is for now. It'll be too complicated to make it two-dimensional at the moment. Okay, I'll leave it as, I'll fix it up later, but for now let's keep it as one dimension. Because otherwise it gets too complicated with how you get all these values into the array. But so let's go variable choose. Okay, no overload. So let's go to variable select. This is supposed to be just public variable select. If it must have a return type. No, it's going to be void. No, wait, no, it doesn't need a return type. It's constructor. And let's change this. Let's change these to go inside here. And go through a whole method. You know, save a line of code. Okay. It takes 5 items. Okay, we need to change that. But for now, we're gonna do that for this as well. Oh shit, where did the music go? Nope, that's the one I wanted. That's not what I wanted at all. Okay, there we go. I'm just shuffling out the music and stuff like that. All the music is done by Cairo, by the way. Which is Chaska, but yeah. Okay. So I've got 4 options, so I need to go string 4. Let's make this a bit smaller, bigger, this bigger, this bit smaller. Because I'm doing most of my coding in the C#. I'm just looking at the Python. This is Visual Studio. This is Visual Studio Code. This is Visual Studio. Bit of a difference, but they're basically the same thing. But Visual Studio is a lot better. All right. So now I'm gonna go here and okay. Actually, now I have to make it bigger because I need to look at it. This is not fun trying to get the right sizes. Okay. where it says yes, it's supposed to be no. Let's actually change that now. Let's just save as physics 1.3 because that's the new version. Because I've just fixed the bug. Why do all my notifications pop up all now all of a sudden? Jesus. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go on else if measurement is equal to, what was this again? Time. Let's change that to time. Okay, so we're gonna go variable select and make another class. Call this class object t variables new variable select t. So I have t options 1 t. Let's just copy this 2 3 and 4. Okay. I got a little typo there. It's 1 out, I'm pretty sure. What's this? String t options 1 equals new string. Put something in there, and we're gonna copy all that. 2, 3, and 4. Alright, now we gotta figure out what goes in here. So let's have a look. So we got final over here. So we got final, initial velocity and distance. So we're gonna go initial v final v and distance. Yeah. Pretty basic stuff. Yeah, this is kind of boring to watch, I suppose. No one watching, but hey, if you want to make it, you can make it. I'm not stopping you. But so what am I copying it now? Do we copy that's what we got. It's got now final initial acceleration. So let's just go copy this. now we got distance, initial, and acceleration. Let's see here. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh fucking hell! Come on, Visual Studio. Wait, oh, where the fuck was I? Oh, it's on. Okay, so it's distance, initial, and acceleration. Oh fuck! I didn't just show you anyway. You can hear me say it. Oh fucking hell! Fuck off! Fuck off! Just fuck off. Say hit. Okay, whatever. So we gotta go. Selection. Initial. Distance. Let's see what the last one is. Acceleration, final velocity, and I might just turn the music down a little bit. Yeah, that may be a bit better, but yeah, maybe the music was a little too loud. But now we got we got acceleration, final velocity, and distance. Acceleration, final velocity, and then that distance. So now we got time, and that's all set to go, and we've got that would work. It will take them all, yep. Okay. Save that, and now let's go for what are we doing now? We're gonna do initial velocity. Okay, and then we gotta just gonna change these to be. There is actually a more efficient way of changing all these variables to that, but I can't be fucking fucked figuring it out. I actually don't care enough. I can type it out myself. Okay, I'm gonna go for. Okay, put a fucking semicolon there. Else if measurement is equal to vi. So now I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna go variable, select variables. Oh wait, I didn't even put a T there. Silly me. So I'm gonna put a vi, and put a capital V there, and put a capital V there, and then so what are we doing now? So we got VI, and we're gonna go copy all that. To copy it all, that doesn't matter. VI. Okay. So now we're gonna do what each one of them is. So let's do that. So it's time, final velocity, and distance. Okay. Time. Was it time, final velocity, and distance? See if we've got one in here. Time, final velocity, time. Let's see if we've got one similar time. Okay, let's just go for this one. Oh, here goes. Right here, right here, right here. Time, final velocity, and distance. Let's chuck that in here. Yes, and then let's see what's next. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Oh wait, is it? Um, yeah, that's right. Okay, and time, final velocity, and acceleration. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Time, time. Fuck, I was gonna write them out because I took too much looking for it all. Okay, what was it? What was it? Fuck, I keep losing my track. Okay, what time, final velocity, and acceleration? Let's go. Acceleration A. And I get the groove, distance, time, acceleration. Time, so just put in here. Time, yes. Okay, and then last one. Chicken, alright. Acceleration, final velocity, and distance. Acceleration, final velocity, and distance. They're all there. Last one's perfect. Okay. Do one more for the let's just give it that space there. Get all nice and neat. Final velocity. Okay, now let's see what we're doing. We're doing distance, initial velocity, and time. So let's see if we've got any in there. There we go. We can change that to initial. At least I actually somewhat makes sense of how I how I wrote this. I'll run the Python code. It somehow makes sense for me to write to rewrite. Okay. Next is acceleration, initial velocity, and time. Okay, let's change that again to initial V, and then next one, distance, initial velocity, and acceleration. Distance, initial velocity. Okay, so I'm making sure everything's sort of all neat, like it's all has a structure, like time is always there, and then acceleration is next, so it all makes sense for me when I'm trying to put screen, an actual display to it. Okay, what's up next? Oh shit, no, fuck, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so it's distance, initial velocity, acceleration. Distance, initial velocity, acceleration. Oh, the next one. What's the next one? Time, distance, and acceleration. Alrighty, that's pretty much that. Selects are done. Alrighty, let's just do this line of code here. Let's change that to an if. Change all these to an if. Alrighty, so that should be all good to go. Let's give that a test. See how that goes. Boot errors. Debug. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. I'm gonna threshold this out. You can just look at the path and code. Alright, so I figured out what's wrong. We haven't even coded this part yet. We can't even test it. Yeah, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing, eh? Okay, so okay, let's go. So we haven't even done anything here either. Okay. So now we're gonna go. Now I'm gonna have a look at the code. I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna do it. Okay. So I wanna basically display the text the way this way. Basically on a console application. For right now it's gonna be a console application. Eventually it'll be a physical app, like I've said. Hopefully it's gonna be released on Android, but for now we're on a desktop app. Okay. Okay, wait, no, it's calling a function. It's being sent to a function. So I gotta find where that function is. Here it is. Here's the function here. So it's got values loop again. So now I'm gonna go. Got the values loop here for extra. Values you have. So this case. So here we go. I don't know where we go now. So option. Okay. Don't need the space there. Let's get capital there. Option 2. Backslash 3. What else we got? We got option 4. So now we're gonna go. I think it's 4 here. Or 3. Now we 3. Cause that's just how. How it rolls with animal control, on patrol. Hope this works. Okay, no, 1. I may have to do a loop here to display the whole string, the whole array. Yeah, but actually we'll have to do a loop. Let's do that actually. So I'm gonna go option blah blah blah. Console right line. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Sorry. I don't know what else to say. I'm just focused. Okay. Option 1. There we go. Oh, okay. Option 1. And then so it's gonna. What it's gonna do is that's going to do O1 at I value. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna go the length of the array O1. It's gonna display each. It's gonna go say it's gonna go 4 times, and then basically it's going to it's gonna go for it 4 times, and then display it. Say each of the options. Basically. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like this. We're gonna change it up a bit. Changing it up a bit. Okay? Changing it up. Okay. We can actually just remove that. Just have just that. We're gonna do that again. For 2. And we're gonna do it again. Do this. Keep doing. Oh, we gotta put in. So I could do this with with nested for loops, but I'm gonna do that eventually. But for now, for my small brain, I'm gonna make it easier for myself. Go real easy, and not use a 2-dimensional array, cause fuck that. I will do it eventually, but for now, fucking 1-dimensional array. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, boys. Okay, and one more. 04. So let's write all this. Okay, so option 2, 3, and 4. So that should be good to go for that code of. Let's go back to measurement selector and. Oh, have I been doing the wrong? Have I been doing the wrong code? Maybe I have. Let's have a look. Okay, I gotta think about how this runs. Put it in my head how it's gonna run. So, it's gonna run, but it's gonna ask you what measurements you want to calculate. It's gonna display this here, and it's gonna come up with distance, acceleration, time. Let's change these around. So it's makes sense for my small brain. Oh, that's what I wanted. Come on. Work with me, goddammit. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So, if you okay, so wait, this. Oh wait, oh that's right. I was gonna make all this in here. So let's do that. Now that I've written it, let's do it in here. No, okay, maybe not all of it. Maybe just this part. Okay, and then let's take these arrays off the main. Oh shit. Off the main. And chuck them in here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna we're also gonna take these fucking windows. Turn down the music a bit more on my on the old. Okay, let's go. Static. Okay, it's just coming. These need to be static apparently. Well, that's fine with me. They are static. I just haven't made them static, but yeah. So static just means that they're fixed, basically. Okay. You know, I think this looks a bit messy with all of it. You know. Um, Measurement. Select this. Yeah, that looks a bit better than one line. One line, doesn't it? It's way better. Okay, but now we can get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So now we can we can get rid of this lines of code and let's make this a measurement message, but measurement. Yeah, fuck yeah. It's like a void actually. That's not void. Yeah. Must have return? Okay. Oh, has void then. Okay, maybe I kind of maybe kind of as an instructor. I'll keep it as a as a method. Okay. Okay. Just give me a sec. I'm gonna do Google search or something. Okay, so we're gonna go to get this measurement loop and go public public is it it's probably an integer um, oh shit, what am I doing mate, what am I doing? Oh wait, measurement and loop get and set it, get and set please, thank you. Alright, so that's fixed that error, hasn't it? Yes, 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 it has. Okay. So now let's go back to here. And we're gonna create a new Oh, put the capital M there. What do I ask you on the screen line? And then what is the? It is. Just copy it. Measurement. Stop message. There we go. Now I should be able to run it. Okay. Let's see how the extra works. Yeah, so let's just try run it and see what happens. Ah, fucking, one thing I fucking forgot. The fucking console read key. Always forget a goddamn console read key. Oh, the fucking console read key, you can't do much about that. I just want to see it sealed. It's not gonna do much for at the moment. What? Okay, maybe. Oh, wait, measurement equals 1. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to sort this out now. This is what's the problem with debugging while you're doing it. So, and you can come back to it, you don't know what you've written. Okay, let's go back to measurement select. So, it goes to variable select. Maybe we'll go, maybe we'll have it as a constructor, maybe we'll have it as a, as how I had it before. Okay, and we gotta put a fucking thing of this. Let's just go copy that. Let's put that down there, down here. Do that. Da, da, da. Oh shit, we told them. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna keep it as an construction, but just because it didn't work, so I'm just doing it a way that I know it would work. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. I'll play you something else. Let's put this in here. Let's put console dot read key here, so I know that this works. Put one here and here. This is, and we'll just sort this out. Put VF there. I'm so tired. Hopefully sleeping tomorrow. Probably not going to, but I want to. Why? Why do you keep being two of you? Oh shit. Cairo, is that you? Is it Cairo? That is the question. That is the question. Is it Cairo? Is it someone else? You don't even know. Nah, no, it's not him. No, it's fucking Cairo. Alright, TO boys. That should be probably what I might do is I might put the while loop in here as well. Let's play why it's also not working. Okay, so I need a curly bracket here, and one obviously on this path as well. Okay. Now that should be a bit better. What the fuck? What the fuck was that now? What the fuck? What is going on with my computer? Why is this happening as soon as I start streaming? I don't even know. It's so fucking annoying. Okay. Now, what am I doing now? I gotta get rid of these ones. Let's keep it as a method. To keep it as something simple for me to do for now. Don't want to overcomplicate the code that doesn't work. Okay. Now, uh, let's just hope that that works. Let's get bold solution. One failed. Okay. Let's go. Let's debug it then. Okay, there's a bug in there, but I don't know where it is. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go public. I'm gonna change this up. Let's just copy this code over here. Okay, just comments. Maybe it can work there. Reboot solution. Failed still. What the fuck? Oh, what's wrong? Oh, this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ah, I see. No, I don't want to do that. I want to go next start a message. Okay. Now let's reboot solution. Supposed to. Still failed. Still says failed here. Okay. I think I'm gonna end the stream and go get dinner and stuff like that. Come back. We'll sort out the problem with it. I'll probably come back with what the solution is and do it for you. So yeah. But for now, it's the code's written. There's just a bug somewhere. Oh, here it is. Um, okay, and let's just go. Okay, I gotta sort this out. This variable select thing. I think that's what it is. This class here needs sorting out. So I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna go dinner and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that later. All right. Thank you for watching the stream. If you watched it, if you're watching now, you must have watched it. So thank you for watching. That was just a little bit of programming I'm doing on the calculator app just to get this working on C Sharp so I can get it onto an app. So I'll see you later tonight or tomorrow or something like that, and I'll be streaming. Right, thank you.